Guys, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a sleek high bun on your natural fussy hair. So if you think that you cannot do it on your natural fussy hair, not to worry, I got you. All right, so I'm going to be starting with moisturizing my hair with my leave-in conditioner. I actually put my hair in twist the night before to just stretch it out, because you want to do this hairstyle on a stretched hair. So basically I'm just losing the twist just so that we can start. Okay. So once you're done with loosening your twist, I just go in with my afro comb to just pick my hair and bring it out to give it more volume, because this style we need enough volume for it. So I'll just go in with my afro comb and pick my hair. So once I'm done, I'm going to go in with my brush, just brush my edges, because we are doing a sleek bun, so all the baby hairs on each side has to slick down. You know what I mean. So I go in with my Eco Styler gel and just begin to put it on my edges, round all through the front, the back. Yeah, basically just put it generously. So once I'm done, I'm just going to brush my hair so that it will sleek down more. Just going to brush it, the front, the back. Yeah, just brush it. Then I'm going to go in with my shoelace. Yes, and just put my hair in a puff. Okay, so I would really advise you guys to use a black shoelace, because by the time I finished this hairstyle I was struggling to hide this colored shoelace. It's actually black and white, but I mean it was still showing somehow. So please go in with a black shoelace or a black hairband. Use black something, don't use color though. I learned it the hard way. So I'm just going to put my hair in a puff. Yeah, I'm just going to be adding some more gel to my edges. Okay, and then I will go in with my scarf to just make sure that it slicks down very well. So once I'm done tying the scarf, I'm just going to leave it in for some minutes and do my makeup. All right, so I'm back, and yeah, this was about, I think, 10 minutes or so. And geez, can you just see how pretty my hair looks? Okay, so now to the bun style itself. I'm just going to take a little section from the middle of the puff that I've already done, because I'm going to be using this bun puff thing, band kind of thing. Yeah, I think they call it donut band or something if you want to get it from the market or so. So I'm just going to use that in the middle of my hair, because that is going to form like the foundation of this bun. So I'm just going to use my hair, the little part that I took out, to cover the puff bun donut band thingy. All right. So after that, once I've covered it and I have done my foundation, we will start building our bun. All right, so I'm just going to take little parts of my hair, to twirl the end, and go in with my bobby pin to secure it on our foundation. Okay, I hope this was really explanatory. Okay, so I'm just going to take a little part of the hair on the outside, use my bobby pin and secure it on top of our bond foundation that we created. Okay, yeah, so that is basically what we're going to be doing till we create our bond. All right, I'll just let you guys see how I do it. Yes, so our bun is ready. You guys, can you see this shoelace showing? Like, I really tried my possible best to like hide it. I don't know, I wasn't totally successful, but at least I tried, kind of. Okay, so you guys, please use a black shoelace for this hairstyle, okay, or a black hairband or something black. So this is the hairstyle. This is how to do a sleek bun on natural 4C hair. So if you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Please subscribe, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching and learning. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.